Assalamu alaikum beautifuls, how are you today? Do let me know in the comment section that how are you doing today. जी सबने use कर ली and I just literally couldn't get my hands on it. So I finally got my hands on it. Yes. These are not for your ears, these are for your lips if you don't know about that. So these are apparently lip tints or I got in two colors. मैंने seller के तरले किए थे कि मुझे box में send करना है. He said no, buy the whole box and then you'll get. So I know I'm not gonna keep using them. I'm just using it, trying it for the video or just for the sake कि ये कैसे लगते हैं. So I got 10. Yes, I got 10. 5 of them was in brown color and 5 of them in I don't know which color, which we're gonna find out in this video. So if you're interested, then let's start the video. इसको हमें यहाँ खोलना है और यहाँ से ये बाहर आ जाएगा. So apparently this tube is filled with the tint. ठीक है ना, इस ट्यूब में टेंट है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे as you can see this red line, यहाँ से हमने करना है इसको ब्रेक. तो क्या होगा, the whole color will shift into that. ठीक है जी, सारा कलर इस बड में आ जाएगा. And now you can apply this tint on your lips. Ooh, I like the color. It's red in color. It's not pink. So there was like 4 colors. So I thought he would send me all 4 of them, but he sent me only 2 colors. इसकी price और Daraz से मैंने buy किए हैं. Now they are available on Daraz. You can also apply this on your cheeks. It's a great way to use on the cheeks. क्योंकि ये one time use only है. You open them once and you just cannot use them again. हल्का सा nose पे भी apply करते हैं just to make it even. And okay, I definitely get some sensation on my lips. जैसे lips पे sensation कुछ dye सा color सा हो रहा है जैसे. When you apply that, and you can definitely make it ombre effect जिसमें अंदर से लिपस्टिक डार्क होती है और बाहर से लाइट हो जाती है. So it's a great way to do that. Yes, you can definitely do that. And yeah, it's a fun thing, but not my thing. I think it's a great thing. I don't think so we can reuse it. I think if you can just put it back into its cover and you can use it next day, but not more than that. कितना का color होगा इसमें. And I don't know if it's long lasting or not. वैसे जो मैंने brown color use किया था, it was not a good color and it was definitely not long lasting. मैं आपको वो भी खोल के दिखा देती हूँ अपने सामने. If you want to see, let's open the brown one as well. Yes, ये है brown color. I thought it looks greenish सा थोड़ा color लग रहा था. I thought it's gonna be I don't know what color it is. So let's open then. Yes, this is the most satisfying part when you break from the top and it gets dispensed in the other side. तो ये जी इससे हम लगा लेते हैं थोड़ी सी outline. This is a brown color and now it's looking good. पहले जब मैंने अप्लाई किया था it wasn't looking good, but I think it looks good. But who wants to do his lips brown for the rest of the day? Or you can use it at the base of your lips. जैसे आपको brown lipstick लगानी है and you want to make it long lasting. So what you can do, you can apply this tint and apply the lipstick on top of it. तो इससे क्या होगा कि lipstick long lasting हो जाएगी and it will stay longer. Now I like it. I don't think so we can use it as a contouring. Can we? Let's try. Ooh, I think I made a mess. Can we use a tint as a contouring? I've never seen a brown tint. No, it's a brown tint and can I contour my nose? You tell me. Is it effective or not? I think it is. Ooh, I like it. Wow, I think I like it. I think I want to contour with this. But you have to be fast to contour your face. Ooh, I like it. Oh, I never thought I would like it. Oh, make me stop. I thought I was gonna hate it. This brown one is keeper. I'm gonna keep it. Yes, I know. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it back, and I'm gonna use it tomorrow to contour my nose. Yeah, you will see. So my scarf is down. It means that I need to end my video. So yeah, this is my whole video. Hope you like my video, because I think I like my video. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And before you want to leave, you want to check out other these lipstick videos, because I'm pretty excited about them. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.